The modular heat pump Mycond is a reliable heat and conditioning system with high power efficiency for commercial units. There are several models of the MCU line of the Mycond heat pumps that include 7 variants with cooling capacity from 66 to 440 kilowatts and heating capacity from 70 to 475 kilowatts. Using heat pumps Mycond Recovery, you get the free heating in the cooling mode. The heat pump's Mycond EVI can be used as the main source for the heating system, working in the heating mode at outdoor temperature up to -26 degrees Celsius. The automatic control system of the heat pump provides efficient and reliable equipment operation. The heat pump has several protection systems, such as voltage supervision, overheat protection, refrigerant minimum flow control, high and low pressure switch, and others. The equipment integrates into the building management system easily, thanks to the Modbus protocol in the control board. The Mycond heat pumps of the MCU line can operate in the heating mode at the temperature of up to -15 degrees Celsius in winter and in the cooling mode at up to 48 degrees Celsius in summer. Thanks to the small size and weight, the equipment can be easily delivered to the installation place. You can merge different types of heat pumps in the operation of one heating and cooling system. The whole system is continuing the operation even if a separate heat pump is stopped for the conduction of technical services. You can use any other kind of heating, like gas or electric boiler, during abnormally low outdoor temperatures for backup of the heat pump operation. Mycond Recovery heat pumps suit perfectly for installation in hotels, apartment buildings, sport complexes, and other buildings where heating, air conditioning, and hot water are necessary. They match Mycond fan coils of different types entirely. Thus, it's easy to maintain the desired temperature in the building. Thanks to the recovery function, the stored heat can additionally provide hot water supply or pool heating. Mycond Recovery modular heat pumps can be used for heating or cooling, and hot water supply from a heat recovery exchanger built into the heat pump. During the cooling system operation, heat power is allocated for the needs of hot water supply, and no additional energy is consumed. If the need for heat supply is higher than for air conditioning, few heat pumps will switch operation to hot water heating. During the spring, fall, and winter periods of the year, heat pumps work simultaneously for heating and hot water systems, distributing their power according to the needs of each system. Due to the modularity and gradual power control, the system built with Mycond heat pumps doesn't require large storage tanks and can operate efficiently at both maximum and minimum load. During the construction of the commercial rental project, you can install the heat pump equipment in parallel with the apartment occupancy, instead of freezing the whole budget for the total amount of equipment. Choosing Mycond, you get the system of remote monitoring and control systems of the equipment. Mycond Recovery heat pumps are used for industrial and commercial units to provide heating and cooling supply.